What is up, guys? Welcome back to Unboxing with Scott, where today I'm going to be unboxing this 12-pack of Bud Light. Alright, so first things first here, let's take a look at the packaging. You got, look at that, 12 bottles right there. You got Bud Light, and a lot of people don't know, Bud Light's actually owned by Anheuser-Busch down here. They actually make it. So if we come around to the other side here, we got the handy carrying handle. Again, you got 12 bottles with 12 flowing ounces each. So that's, good to know. Good to know on all sides. I've got till May 19th to drink these guys. So, on this side, it's the same thing on that side. And another handy carrying handle here, so you got one on both sides. And then what I'm really excited to show you guys today is this perforation up here. So, it looks like you're going to be able to open that up, but still use the handles here. So let's take a look. See if we can break this open. Yep, those perforations are working great. Yep, we're just gonna, yep. Perforations are doing their job perfectly. Alright, so there you go. Perfect. Alright, so now we're gonna take one out here, take a look at it. This one looks pretty good. Looks like about 12 flowing ounces right there. There you go. Okay, so there's one. Let's see, here's another one. There's two. Next one, another Bud Light. So there's three. Fourth one there. That's pretty fun. Okay. We got number 5 here. Let's look at. Okay, we got a sixth one. Looks pretty nice. Seventh one. Yep. Still looks about full. Still looks new. Good. Let's see, got an eighth one here. Ninth one. Still looking good, the label's looking great. That sure looks like a bottle. Let's go for number 10 here. It's looking a lot like all the others. I'm seeing a lot of consistency here. So number 11. Oh, we only got one more in there. Don't drop the box. Yep, there's that one. And then this last one looks exactly the same. So that's good to know. And now we've still got this box with the handles. So you could take this, you could probably plant a flower in it or something. Maybe I don't know, use it for storage. Maybe a handy tote. Alright, well, that's it, guys. There's your 12-pack of Bud Light. Thanks for joining me, and if you liked the video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. I'll see you next time on Unboxing with Scott.